Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Hello YouTube, it's me 𝙂𝙚𝙧, and today we'll be looking at putting in laser cut floor mats. This is specifically made for the 2024 25 Chevrolet Trax model year. So we're going to put those in, and I must apologize first for not uploading or making this video ahead of time. I got so busy, so finally I got around to it, and we're going to put it in today. Alright, so let's get this thing open.
Yeah, and here's the manual. You can actually use your camera and actually go right to the website from here if you want to look at it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I don't even have to look at the instructions on how to do it. Right, just to see what we're looking at here, first of all, we're going to go through the contents. We'll start up here. So you got the driver's side and the passenger side. This goes in the rear. Now this I totally forgot about when I was ordering it. I didn't even know what until I actually looked at the order. But these actually go on the sills, which is great. They all come pre-wrapped, or sorry, pre-taped. This goes in the little compartment that's in the back, and then you got this. This covers basically the whole back area of the vehicle. And this goes on the back of the seat. See, they got all this 3M tape for you to do. So I'm pretty impressed with that. Mind you, got to cut these pieces out. And that's pretty much it. We're gonna get these installed. Before we do that, we're gonna do a little vacuuming. All right, so we removed the floor mats. We're not gonna do that. Now these are so simple to install, and they cover everything. Look at that. Looks really good. All right, and just to, like I said, I'm not going to install these, but just to show you what these do, they cover the door sill, and they actually look pretty good. So we're going to do that on a drier day. It's a little cool out today. Best thing to do is when you're putting these on is to warm them up inside, and so the adhesive, it's not good to do this when it's cold, so the adhesive will adhere to your car. Alright, there we go. Perfect fit. It's really going to protect your car. Alright, like we said earlier, this little piece just fits right in there. I like that they added that to it too. Now I think the hardest part here is the back. So we're gonna fold down the seats and go from there. All right, before we do the back, excuse my voice, I got a little bit of a cold. Before we do the back, just want to mention the front driver's side has these two clips that just clip right in. So we'll put that in before we start doing the back. All right, you can see the clips down there. Actually, I'll point them out. One there and one over there. So, just going to get around the camera here. Try not to knock it over. All right. That's a little bit, putting it in backwards doesn't help. Let's move this over here. All right. Yeah, so just basically should snap in. Might have to play around with it a bit. There we go. This one on this side's a little bit difficult, but you get the idea. I'm gonna work on that later and snap it in, but they look pretty darn good, in my opinion. Can do some nice protection for the winter. All right, for these parts here, you're gonna want to cut through. So just make a couple little holes. And then you can use the scissors the rest of the way. That's pretty tough mats. There we go. So we're just gonna cut around them. All right, take your time with this. You want it to look somewhat nice when you cut them. So. Pretty tough to cut. You know, I just thought of something. You don't really have to cut these out unless you want to. I think I cut one of them out because it's a child tether, but I don't have children that are or babies or anything that I'm gonna have to strap into here. So that's up to you if you want to cut those up. I think I'm just gonna leave the rest of them. All we have to do now is pretty much take the tape off, which will probably be a tedious thing here. Okay, it's pretty good though. That's good. Take a bit to take these off. Ooh, pretty sticky though. Alright, so we got all the adhesive removed. All we have to do now is line it up best you can. Yeah, fits perfect. Now, guys, if you're worried about this stuff not kind of looking warped at first, it will work itself in with heat and cold. The rubber will adapt. So don't worry about that. People get worried about that when they see the videos. It stays on there pretty good. They give you really good tape for this, so but still, go over it with your hands. Like I say, with heat and cold and heat and cold, even the adhesive on here will get better too. Now, you don't want to rip this off right away, but it does come with Velcro, so if you want to take it off, the adhesive will stick onto the material and you can remove it. But I'm just going to leave this in all the time. It looks pretty good in my opinion. Got it all installed. If you like what you see here, check out the links below if you want to purchase this. I do make a little bit of money off this as an Amazon associate. So if you want to check out the links, do that. Pretty much that's it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and please comment. I'd love to hear your comments. Check out my Facebook page and my Buy Me a Coffee link. We'll see you next one. Have a good one and take care.